Ka Liang Pyrshah ka balum ya ka jelang jeng ka Congress Legislature Party hapo ka jelamu Dr. Mukul Sangma ka kanai tarik ujiliu ka laya keren sani halo ka jingkiew ki marbam hakiyo ki hat ka jingkiew dor ka bai petrol bat kiwe haba keren siglar patai kubor u Dr. Mukul Sangma ul ong ka jingkiew dor jeng ki marbam ki bakan thup yo khaw ki pnyang shet jingshet ka petrol bat kiwe ka long kbom la ban pnyang khamtam hakum kani ka por ba ki pai ba ki ma ki jinge namar ki babun tili ki long yeng khamtam ki buduna ka yo kot bat ki bashubelas ni ki la shak ta jur namar ka bam yo lat ban lit trei likta na ka jing panjari ka sarkar ka jing khangdam kum kalat ban ye khun Pyrshah ek khlam covid-19 ulabu ru ye ka jingkylli Mano ba ailat ye kini kinong die jingde ban shupin kieu ki dor ki mur hakum kani ka por
essential commodities pricing pattern across the state. Edible oil which were available at 100 rupees and below 100 rupees are being sold at 200 rupees. Now you have to understand that people have very limited cash reserve. The population, the citizens don't have surplus investable reserve to be subjected to this kind of uncontrolled price rise. I don't see any measure or any effort from the side of the government to take cognizance of this concern. Whose job it is to regulate the market pricing? Is it a complete manipulation of the market through understanding or otherwise? We have to know. It's very difficult to reconcile with this kind of uncontrolled price rise, which is showing only increasing graph. Talk about the diesel prices, talk about the petroleum prices, everything, except the prices when farmers have to sell their own perishable produce. It is just the other way around. What is the price that farmers are fetching for their ginger this time? What is the price that the farmers are fetching their price? Or what is the price that farmers had to sell their perishable produce from the farms, farm products? The price of the ginger, the price of the turmeric is just the reverse. The month of April and May, the price of the turmeric was just below 10 rupees. Fresh turmeric in the rural areas, in the villages. The price of the ginger. But when it comes to purchasing essential commodities, irony is that the prices have spiked in terms of 100%, 50%. Who is going to protect the interests of the people? You ask every household, probably the mothers, they will tell you the agony of seeing their hard-earned money and the money which they have probably saved for all their possible important family agendas, educating their children, preparing for their children's marriage, so many things, saving their money for completing their houses. What is the price? Why is it skyrocketing? Who is benefiting out of this? Is there a mafia all across the nation who is operating? Or is it that government, because they want to illegally extort from the public, because the GST is in terms of percentage, 18%. If the price goes up, the tax also goes up. Then someday you will see government saying, oh, you had a good collection of GST. How? By increasing the prices? By allowing this unchecked, unregulated, uncontrolled price rise across the nation, across the state? This is how we expect the government to say that they're responsible to take to take cognizance of the interests of the people. I think we are looking at a situation where people are just thinking that, okay, we are all helpless when the price of various commodities. People in authority must understand their responsibility of protecting the interests of the people. There's not just one issue, there's so many issues. Even the name and fame of the state, the reputation of the state that we built over the years, of which we were proud of, gone down the drains. Is it not painful to see how Meghalaya revolves around negative narratives. The government is seen to be very busy in completing various other deals which goes against the interests of the state.